Today I am going to show you how to cook restaurant style dal fry and jeera rice at home.
Let's see the ingredients. 1 cup of basmati rice, half cup of fresh green peas, salt as per your taste and asafoetida.
And the spices: 2 cloves, 1 small size of bay leaf, 5 to 7 black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, green chilli and ghee for seasoning, coriander leaves for garnishing. To start with, have to wash basmati rice twice and soak it for half an hour. I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice and I am going to use 1.5 cup of water to cook. Take a pressure cooker, add ghee. I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the spices: cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves, black pepper, green chilli and cumin seeds. Let it splutter. Once you have added the spices, keep the stove in simmer. Now add a pinch of asafoetida and give a stir. I am adding green peas, it is optional. Fresh green peas is very good source of protein. If you can add as per your availability. Now I am going to add soaked basmati rice. Now give a mix. Add salt as per your taste. Give a nice mix. Now add water to it. Now keep the flame on medium. Cover the lid and allow it to cook till 2 whistles. Till the rice gets cooked, let's do dal fry. Let's see the ingredients for dal fry. Half cup tur dal, quarter cup moong dal, 1 medium size tomato chop, 1 medium size onion chop. For seasoning, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, 2 dried red chillies, ginger, garlic and spices, coriander powder, red chilli powder and ghee for seasoning, coriander leaves for garnishing. You should soak moong dal and tur dal for half an hour and cook it in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles, and I have already done it. Take a pan, keep it on a medium flame, add ghee to it. Once ghee gets melted, add jeera and let it splutter. Now I am going to add crushed ginger and garlic. You may add ready to use ginger garlic paste also. Saute the ginger garlic till its raw smells vanishes. Keep the stove on simmer. I am adding onion. Saute it till it becomes translucent. Adding tomatoes. Saute the tomato till soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder. Mix it well. Now add red chili powder, coriander powder, once you have added the spice, stir it well till the raw flavor of the spice goes off. Now add dal. Before adding dal, you give a nice whisk using a whisker or a ladle. Mix it well. Keep the flame on a simmer. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it well. You can add water as per your consistency. Some may like thicker consistency, some may like soupy consistency. It's up to you. After adjusted the consistency, keep the lid closed and allow the dal cook for 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now 3 minutes have gone. Dal is ready. You can switch off the flame. We need to top up the dal with final seasoning. Place a pan on the flame. Add ghee to it. Add mustard seeds. Jeera seeds. Crushed garlic. I am using 4 cloves of garlic. 1 dried Kashmiri red chilli. And let it splutter. Now our final seasoning is over. We are going to add it to the dal. Yes, nice flavor is coming. So tempting to have it right now. Transfer it to a serving bowl. Add fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. By this time, our jeera rice must be ready. Let's have a look. Wow, really it looks nice. Wow, great. It has really come up well.
Wow! Our jeera rice and our dal fry is ready. Tastes good. Yummy.
Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed the video.
Like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Eat healthy, be healthy.
I will catch you with another recipe.